YouTube. Never fear, Logan J's here, back with another Sneakerhead Saturday review. Today we have a pickup from Concepts. I can't believe I got through. Concepts.com here and everything on the box. I can't believe they do that. Other boutiques do that, but I'm just a little surprised I haven't gone through Concepts in the longest. Normally bots hit it up, but I was able to get through. So yeah, I just want to show you that you can get pickups if you keep trying on certain places. I'm thinking this one is a little bit more available to the public. Normally they don't sell Air Jordans online, but due to the COVID-19, boutiques, I gotta sell basically everything online. There's no raffles going on. They still kind of doing, but not really. But the only ones that did it was the Cop Day with the Skunks 420s. The second one's a reverse, but that was through an even different website. But let's get into this unboxing really quick. See the receipt here. Kentucky, they got a spot in Kentucky, so that's where they distribute it from. There you go. It's a Nike Air Jordan 1 box, as you can see. And here we go. Give you an up close look at the tag right there. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, core purple, black, and white. Unlike the 2.0s that said sale. And as the retail was $160 for those, and these are $170. So, ooh, man, freaking problem. Oh my gosh. Man, that thing hits you, man. Whew. Heavy. Woo. These are amazing. Let me see, he's got a sticker in here? No sticker. These are very GR. Got your stamp on the stamp. Oh man, the stamp, you can't even see it. It's just like blotchy. You can check that out. Very stained up, like there was water droplets on it. I don't know, actually 1, 2, but all the other numbers and letters, if there is any, it's all messed up. Yeah, can't see that. Yeah. Now, in a second, we'll put this over here. Show you these really quick. Quick look. So sexy, man. Hit it out the park. That white, man. That's a difference, man. Wow. Let's get to a quick review of these tangs here. And start off with the outsole here. You got your court purple outsole, white midsole, white stitching. You got white on the toe box here, perforation going on. Smooth, a little bit of hard leather here on the side. It's not, it's smooth, but it's not, there's no tumble or anything. It looks like there's some look to it, but there's nothing there. And that's medial and lateral, both sides. So the lateral, and this is the medial. And then we got this court purple on the toe box, and I'm trying to feel the leather here. Get this shoe tree out to really feel it. And it's not the most softest. I'm trying to but it's good, and I like the color. That's the most important thing here going on with this, is the color of the purple. It's beautiful. Oof. An amazing job. So you got court purple running all on top of the sneaker here, on the eyelids, going on the collar and on the heel. And then right here you have your Air Jordan Wings logo embossed in black there, and you got your swoosh here in black, and black looks tumbled leather. It's not smooth leather. It's a tumbled look to it. Feels good. Feels better than the white leather here. And the black swoosh here has the same leather as the collar. You got your white nylon tongue. White. The back of the tongue. You got your black leather tag with your court purple lettering there. Embossed as well. Got that sun beaming on there. And then your sock liner is black. And your insole, well, you got black laces. And then it's a black insole with court purple Nike Air. And you have the production date is 11/20/19 to 12/28/19, and you got your extra set of purple laces, but they look like a lavender or tie-dye look to them. As you can see, it's not the same. And you get the 1.0 right here, and they're totally different. You can see that's how they should have came, and they said these. Some people like them, some people don't. I'm on the I don't like them. You have this little notch thing going on, which I didn't even look at the other ones, but this one is got this little notch thing, and you got the little jump man there. Actually, see, yeah, these don't come with the notch. The newer ones do. And color is the same. Also, it's the same. And grab the opposite one just to do this a little bit better. And videos, from what I saw, the 2.0 is better, and it's still, to me, is better. And so it's the difference of the white popping off. As far as quality, feel about the same there. Got a little stickiness to them. Look at that toe box test here. Let's see. Smash them down. Looks like it's holding a little bit there. This is good stuff here. But the toe box is not that great. It's not even, this is just a little bit better comparing it to it. But yeah, by a hair, if you want to go off that, and that's just that, that's it. I like the 2.0s better. The color blocking is just there. It's doing this one a lot better with the white. That's what I think. You know, whoever has them in hand, you could decide for yourself. But for me, I'm liking the 2.0 better in hand as well, and I just like more purple throughout the sneaker. But yeah, that's about it. There's really not too much difference. You know, the heels are the same. up to here, and then as well as in the eyelids, but it's basically the same sneaker. You know, little changes here and there, but you know, some people are like, I don't need one if I got the other, but yeah, I like these a lot. These are fire, and they got this like sticky feel. If you feel the sneaker, you know what I'm talking about. They did something to it, put something on here. Quality's not that bad. I mean, the tumble leather back here is not that much. It has a little bit of tumble to it, but it looks very smooth throughout. Really no tumble going on. But the toe box, the more I feel it here, it feels good. They did a good. And since I have these, I want to show you. These here, the Chicago's. These, they put some kind of tumble leather on them, on the toe box, so yeah, they're gonna have a little bit more better quality. This is just next level here on the quality for the Chicago's. I think they do a little bit better quality for the OGs in recent years, since they've been doing the remastered program. So these got the better leather treatment, in my opinion. Even here, you just feel it. This one, it's a little bit stiffer. It's a different grain of leather. Even on the heel, it feels softer. So whatever leather they used on this one is not the same as this one, but the color block is there. And just so you know, when they release these OG ones colorways, they're giving you a little bit better quality. I don't have all the ones, the OGs, because I passed on a couple, so I can't say, oh, this one, but the ones that I felt, they do got a little bit extra better quality. Not pulling them all out now, but this one just very close to this one's. Basically, you change the color to purple. As far as the leather on the toe box, no, there's something else. This one's even the shape looks a little different too. Yeah, I don't know. The shape is a little different. I can tell in hand. This one's a little bit more sloped. This one's a little bit more boxy. It goes up. I don't know if you could see that. I'm going to show you. This one comes up, straight up. This one curves. So I don't know if that has to do anything with the way the leather feels on the toe box there, but how they're basically the same. But other than that, that's what I just noticed now, just looking at them really quick. But yeah, that's about it. See, is the height the same? Yeah. I don't know. I don't think so. No. Back here, the red here is a little higher than this purple. I don't know if you can see that by a tad. Give you a little bit more red leather on these, just a tad, and the cut looks a little higher, and you could actually see it just a tad higher. Now there is a difference. These are 11.5 and these are an 11, so they could be that, but I don't know. They're pretty much the same. Yeah, I don't have them in the. This is an 11.5. This is not the same height. Nope. Not the same. This is still higher. They did something with these. These are just a little bit higher. I'll compare this one with this one. Whoa. These are the same. So yeah, the Chicago's are just a tad higher. Just so you know, they're not the same. But barely. So, you know, that's about it, YouTube. It's a long enough video. I showed you, compared two sneakers to it, and these are fire. Prices are low right now. I say cop right now because yeah, these are gonna go up. Man, these are fire. One of the best Jordan 1s for me in a long time. Just the new colorway. I mean, it's due to that Chicago colorway. Once you see and have worn a pair of Chicago, and just the attention, people always like, oh man, those are nice, all the time. So I'm not gonna expect anything less with these. I mean, these are fire. I love this color purple. Never been a real big purple lover, but I love this sneaker, and yeah, just my views on it, I absolutely love them. So yeah, YouTube, it's your boy Logan J, and I'm signing out. Peace.